Welcome to the My Sandvik Customer Portal. In this video, I will guide you on how to find the right kit for your machine using the Kit Finder. To access the Kit Finder, go to Shop, then select Kit Finder. This page displays all the maintenance and repair kits suitable for the machines in your fleet. You can use the various filter options to find a specific kit that suits your machine, such as the machine serial number, the kit type, and interval hours. By selecting View Details, you can see the contents of the kit and choose to add either the entire kit or individual items to your cart. When you choose individual items, you can compare prices for all items with your selected ones before adding them to cart.